Team, we set the stage for retail brands to shine. Pac Team Group was born as Atelier Ball in the city of Biel at the heart of Switzerland's fine watchmaking region in 1949. And we have been refining and elevating the nature of luxury brand retail presentation ever since. When our founder, Lillian Schmidt, observed how many different companies were involved in the design, construction and decoration of a single boutique, she saw an exciting opportunity to provide a more comprehensive and cohesive service to her customers. She became an architect and formed the foundation of today's Pac Team Group, a company that designs, builds and decorates the brand stage, from concept through installation, long before the term design and build was coined. Today, Pac Team is a multinational leader in creating luxurious retail, hospitality and office environments. We offer expertise in all aspects of bringing an upscale brand to life and shaping a high-quality consumer experience. From eye-catching, technologically innovative installations, to elegantly appointed shop-in-shops, to fully furnished interiors for the restaurant and hospitality industries. We specialize in creating brand ambiance and seduction at each consumer touchpoint. Whether you want assistance executing your own plans or complete concept development, we can help. We are more than just manufacturers and installers. We are professional craftsmen with expertise in design and engineering. With fully integrated teams, we work seamlessly to ensure that each project progresses fluidly from plan through installation. And with operations on 4 continents, we offer our clients the advantages of a global manufacturing footprint along with local service. We're uniquely prepared to orchestrate your entire job, start to finish, sparing you the oversight and stress. Pac Team's design and build service is truly turnkey. From award-winning design to complex and competitively priced fabrications and worldwide installation, when it comes to servicing our clients, we hold ourselves up to the highest standards. 3 generations later, Pac Team Group still adheres to the guiding principles of our founder, Lillian Schmidt. We are not looking to be the biggest, but the best, and we do that by treating each of our clients to white glove service. Pac Team Group, creators of your brand stage.